Hey y'all, it's Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I am using my Ninja Foodi, which you can use if you don't have the Ninja Foodi. You can also use your Instant Pot, or you can do this on the stove. I'm just giving you some examples of things that I do, and I am using my Ninja Foodi. So what I'm making is some vegetable beef soup, but it's ground beef. Ground chuck is what I'm using. And I've got about 2 pounds of ground chuck in here. And I've also got 1 small onion and 1 medium onion. And I'm just like a dummy. I put my onions in there, and I've got to drain the ground beef. So I don't know why I did that. I guess I just wasn't thinking. And but anyway, I'm cooking this, and then I'm gonna drain it, and I'm cutting up vegetables and opening cans, because mainly when I fix the soup or whatever, it's mainly from cans. It's the winter time, so I can't really get fresh vegetables in the winter time like you can in the summertime. But in the summertime, not very many people make vegetable soup, so, which I would. I mean, I have no problem whatsoever from eating soups in the summertime. Soup is, to me, is a staple in your, it's got to be a stable thing in your life, because I love soups. And so, like I said, this is going to be vegetable beef soup. It's in my Ninja Foodi. This is an 8-quart Ninja Foodi. Right now, I've just got it on. If you're using your Instapot, you're using sear and saute, and you're going to brown your hamburger or ground beef, whatever you want to call it. And when this gets ready, and after I drain the grease off here, I'll bring y'all back. Okay, I'm back. All right, now I have cut up all my vegetables. I've got everything ready, and I bet you that it will not fit in this pot. I just don't think it will. I think once I get these potatoes in here. All right, so I've cut, like, these are little potatoes, but I still think it's gonna take up the majority of the room. And then I've got a 1-pound bag of baby carrots. They're going in here. I've got 3 stalks of celery with the flowers on the top. That's going in here. I've got a pint of tomatoes that if I don't use them, they're going to go bad. So they're going in here. The one thing about vegetable soup or whatever, you can put all your things in here that are going bad, and it's going to be just right. All right, so I've got 2 cans. Now I'm going to go in and put my spices in next. The little bit that I'm using. All right, I'm putting in 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. All right. I'm putting in about a 3/4 of a tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper. All right, I'm putting in about a 1/2 of a tablespoon of Badia complete. All right, there's that. All right. And I put 3 chicken bouillon cubes with herbs and spices. I put that in there. Let's see. I really can't think of anything else to put in here. Y'all know I don't like garlic, so I'm not putting that in there. Alright, so I've got 2 cans of chicken broth that I'm putting in here. Then I've got one of my quart jars of tomatoes, like tomato juice, that I'm putting in here. See, I haven't even put the vegetables in yet. Oh, gosh. All right, and then I've got 1 can of diced tomatoes that I'm putting in here. All right, now what I'm going to do right now, because I know this is going to cook down, I'm going to go on and pressure cook this for about 8 minutes. The ground beef's already done, the onions are done, but I've got the celery, the carrots, the potatoes, the tomatoes, and I'm going to go on. I've got to go get the pressure lid in the kitchen. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to go on now. I've got my lid. This is the pressure lid to this. So this would be what you would use on your Instant Pot if you were using that. I've got it on sealing. All right, now I'm going to take this, and y'all aren't going to be able to see it, and I can't get you down far enough, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit pressure, and I'm going to go, whoops, wrong way, 8 minutes, and I think, yep, all right, and so now it's going to take a while for this to come up because there's so much in there. But I am going to let this, after it finishes, I'm going to do 10 or 15 minutes release on it before I let the steam out. So I will bring y'all back. Okay, y'all, it just came up to pressure. It took about 25 minutes to come up to pressure. So I wanted to show y'all. I got my little tripod from Amazon finally. So I wanted to show y'all the front of the Foodi now. You can see it's got pressure, steam, slow cook, sear, saute, dehydrate, broil, bake, roast, and air crisp. This to me is, everybody says that this is an amazing little thing, so that's I hope that it's going to be like that. I put my Instant Pot up, and I'm just going to be using this, and then I've got an air fryer, and then I've got the Ninja grill, the Ninja Foodi grill too. I haven't showed. Yeah, I guess I did. I have showed y'all the grill. So I'm going to be cooking with those, and not using a lot of the things that I have, or maybe using them. Who knows? I might get, I might get a mind to use something, and so I don't know, but today I'm using the Ninja Foodi, and I'm making the soup. It's got 6 minutes now under pressure, and then I'm just going to let it sit for 10, 15, I don't know. It'll probably be a while because I'm not in any big hurry. I'm not hungry yet. It's 20 to 6, and I'm just really not hungry or whatever, so... but I do have the vegetables or whatever in there. Everything else that I've got to put in it now is already cooked. It's just got to be heated up. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on after about 10 or 15 minutes and let this come down from the pressure. Then I'm going to add the vegetables in there, and I'm going to use my slow cook on high until later on tonight and see how that does. I'm trying to get every aspect of this Ninja Foodi down pat so that I can just be using that. I've used the air crisp thing for the chicken, and I'm going to be using other things with it too. Like I said, pretty much everything that I'll be showing y'all you can do in your Instant Pot or on your stove or in your oven for that matter. But anyway, I will bring you back when I get to the next point of this. Okay, y'all. Here it is. It's been, I let the pressure off of it. Now I'm going to put these other vegetables in there. I drained all of these. It's 2 cans of lima beans, 2 cans of corn, 2 cans of green beans, a can of carrots. Oh my gosh, this is going to be... The only reason the carrots are in here is because I had to... they were going out of date. All right. Oh my gosh, this is jam-packed full. Good thing it's not going under pressure, huh? If you're using your slow cooker, you can have more in here than that line on there. You can put more in here. All right, I need to, I'm going to go on and put this on the slow cook part. I need to, let me get a spoon. I need to check it before I put it on slow cook and see how the salt and all is on it. Oh, it's perfect. Absolutely perfect. I do think I need some, possibly some more spices in here. I'm going to put in a packet of onion soup mix. Oh, don't fall, please don't fall. All right. I've got this great value onion soup mix. And I'm going to put a packet of that in here. Then I'm going to put it on the slow cook high. And it's 6 o'clock now. I'm probably going to put it here on high for at least 3 hours. And I will bring you back when I get ready to fix me a bowl of soup after a while. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so let me see if this is cooled off some. It's pretty hot. Alright, there's the bite. It's got the ground beef and green beans and corn and the tomatoes. Oh, let's see what it tastes like. Oh my gosh. This tastes just like my grandma used to make. Wow. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so good. I love vegetable soup with a peanut butter sandwich. And I know it stems from my days in school because that's what we would have at school, would be vegetable soup and peanut butter sandwiches. Oh my gosh, this is so good. The potatoes are still good. The carrots, look at those. They are just so good. Just the right texture. All right, y'all. I'm going to get off here and eat my soup. This has been a crazy day of me cooking in this. I just love my Ninja Foodi. I'm going to be able to use it for the rest of my life. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also to my Instagram. Also, there's links below of where you can purchase stuff from Amazon that I use in my kitchen. I'm constantly getting something from Amazon. It's one of my most favorite places to shop. And a lot of the stuff that I use in my kitchen is listed below. So y'all look over it, and y'all have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.